the speaker is not charging. Red indicates low battery. If I connect the charger, it will say that it is low battery. If you charge it, this should be purple and not red, so there's a problem with this speaker. Let's try to fix this. The battery connector. Let's try to unplug the battery connector. Battery is unplugged. This is the connector for the main speaker. Let's unplug this. Let's try to remove the main board. Charging port cover. Main board. So we fixed it. It's charging now. As you can see, it's not red anymore, it's blinking purple, so it means it's charging. By the use of a blower, you just heat up the circuits, maybe clean some dirt. You can fix the not charging problem. So let's reassemble this speaker. Align the screw holes. See, it turns back on now. It's purple, so it's charging. So we fixed the not charging problem on this Logitech X50.